Good morning, Miss Hilda. Today I will present my assignment 1. Hello, everybody. My name is Adriana de Pilar Germán Reluz. I am 29 years old and I am from Peru. I am Peruvian and I live in Chiclayo. Today is my first day I this neighborhood. I am very happy to meet you. Um, Let me you about my preference. I love Argentina and I love Peruvian food. I dislike Spain food, but I love drinks next distance. I love salsa. I love listening to music. In free time, dislike I love music and at listen to music with too much and noise. I love graphic designs because I is creative and fun. I'm also like learning daisy darkings. On my workplace, I dislike doing body activities and hard waking early. This is thinking about ratio listing and as precautions to measure.